One of the best things about eBay is that if you need money, you can get it pretty quick on this site. The best way for you to do this is to run a sale. First thing you have to do is to go to My eBay, press on here. Next, you get into a menu that looks like this. So this is known as the eBay Seller Hub. Over here, you're going to go into where it says Marketing. In Marketing, we're going to go into the next thing, into something known as the Seller Hub. In the actual hub, what we're going to be doing is pressing on Marketing. As we press on Marketing, we get to a menu that looks exactly like this. In this menu, what you have to do next is to run the sale. So we are going to go where it says Markdown Manager. And next, we're going to be doing is creating a promotion. So let's go into where it says Create a Promotion. Press on it. And I'm going to be doing Order Discount. And press on that next. So this is going to be the order discount, which is going to be the actual sale. Choose a category, collectible and out. Choose an objective, which is attract buyers or move inventory. Or of course, introduce new items. Let's go ahead and do attract buyers at peak shopping times. Keep in mind when you're going to be doing those discounts, you have to pick the best one for you. So over here we have $10 off, $50 order. We have an extra 20% off for $50 and more. Save 10 for 50. Those are the suggested things for people to do. You have to pick the one that works the best and great for you. So although this is suggested, you can go ahead and pick, save extra 10% off, and the order could be a minimum of only $25. You can go ahead and do this by quantity, which is extra 10% off for 3 or more items. You can do buy one and get one free, or no minimum purchases and you get an extra % off for the spending. It's up to you to decide which is the best deal for you to do. You will have to experiment with a bunch of them before one of them is going to be the best one. And here what I'm going to be doing is saving 10% for every one product. And next what I'm going to be doing is pressing on select items. Select the items. And after that, what we're going to be doing here is just selecting the item I want to sell, which is going to be this specific product, which is going to be this one. Press on search. Here is the product I want to discount. Confirm selection. Save and review. And now what I'm going to be doing next is pressing where it says launch. Right here, launch. And before that, into the description, big sale. You can start right now. We're going to be ending this. Make sure you end this pretty quick, otherwise the sale is not going to go as well. It'll be in July 13th. Gives it about 2 weeks for the sale. And press on launch. And this is it. The sale is on and it's active right now.